Okay, first things to note, we did not go to the pool today because of open source. Just felt like the right move. That means we waste a lot of time waiting for the room, doing pretty much nothing except for losing money gambling. We tried the alley larger strategy with Landman and we did not succeed. Anyway, once our room was ready, we did get a message from MGM Rewards that the room was ready, but it told us that we were on floor 0 in Bungalow 4. So as a note, apparently all of the bungalows are on floor 17 of the Boulevard Tower. So if you get confused, just ask somebody, but Boulevard 17, and then you'll follow arrows to bungalows. It won't have room numbers on the placards, it'll just say bungalows. And you'll come down to a hallway, and that hallway will literally be Bungalow 1, 2, 3, and we will be seeing this for the first time with you here. 4. Key. It unlocked. 9. They are already playing music. That slammed fast. They are already playing music for us. Entryway bathroom, I believe. That looks like a toilet. There's a closet. Oh, there's a shower. A shower with an overhead rain shower and a bench. This is the entryway bathroom. Most bathrooms on an entryway are literally just like a sink and maybe it's a small toilet. Or storage, maybe? I'm not gonna play with that. Too much. Definitely slides though. That might just be paneling. That might just be paneling. Kitchenette with microwave, mini bar. Do not touch those. Do not touch those. Sink. Does this one have a fridge? Whoop. Whoop. So far, I don't see a fridge. I think fridge might be one thing. Of course, then again, nope. Don't know. Where is the thermostat? We got little iPads with controls. Mess with the shades. Let's see, we got blackout, shears. Okay, here we go. Cool. Lighting. We're not gonna mess with that. Listen, living room television. We'll mess with some of that in a minute. Temperature. We need some temperature controls. What we need. I don't see it on here. We'll find it. We'll find it eventually. Oh, there's also a panel on the wall. No. Lighting. Lights. Nice little TV. The day club is already going. So that music is the day club. Have a little patio I could walk out to, actually. So you can already hear the music. It's on the other side of the wall. not bad. Well, let's say it's not bad. It's wonderful. Staircase. Stairs. High, low. Stairs lighting. Nice little whole mirror panel wall. Holy shit. I don't know if this is a master bedroom or not. Day club is literally right there. We would have joined, but like I said, open sores on the feet. Don't play well with that. Safe. Party loft. Fountain pool. I believe that is the source of water for an infinity tub. Let's see if I remember that correctly. Start. Oh no, this is steam mist. This is this. This is in here. Yeah, okay. A couple more rain rooms. I'm assuming this is toilet. Yep, toilet. So I'm gonna stop the steam for now. This is the handle. Muy interesante. More wall panels. Watch, listen, lighting, services. And there's more. Kind of loving this. I'm loving this. We have a patio. The price upgrade makes so much damn sense now. Holy shit. This is where we're going to spend most of the day, probably. Yeah, we're going to have a great day. Anyway, that's bungalows. I don't know what that button does. That's bungalows. Okay, because obviously there's like no privacy, unless that's, maybe it is, I don't know. But I saw a remote in here and I was like, there's no TV. There's no TV in here. And then I pressed it and then this big ass mirror became the TV. Hold on. Turn off lights. Turn off lamp. Let's go off. There we go. Hey. And then we have television. Those don't fully close, so we'll see how that works. But television. Also, big ass cabinet and Another big ass cabinet with a big ass safe. And a fridge. The only thing I found is the minibar with a freezer underneath. See how that works. Hopefully I don't get charged too much for anything that might have rattled around in there. We'll see. See if we need to pull stuff from the minibar. But till then, we are going to hygiene, shower, and then we're going to get in the hot tub and enjoy some music. So, see you guys in a minute. Okay, bye. I'm going to get a video of it later. But that steam shower is fucking amazing. Like, it's literally a wet sauna. Oh. Also, big love. Haha. I don't see an entryway from the bungalows. Maybe there's a dedicated line somewhere at the edge of the hallway. We'll see. Might walk down there after. It looks like maybe that end might have one. Possibly. We'll see. We'll look down the hallway later. See if there's a line. Maybe Wednesday we'll go out there right now. Alright, I did promise you all that I would show you the steam shower. Don't worry, I am inboard, not worried. As you can hear, making some noises. Starting to warm up. I had to cycle it a couple times and mess with the ports to get it to work. The ports being those little sections, I think, in those corners. Started working. I'm gonna let it slowly steam up so we can start seeing how it fills. I did turn it up to 112 as well. I turned it down to like 87 because once it got to 87, it was pretty warm in there. So I'll probably like turn it down again once we get in there, just for my sake. Camera's probably gonna fog up a little bit. We'll see. Or a little bit. Slowly but surely, you can actually see it start to be filled with the steam as it becomes more difficult to see in there. So obviously we just opened the door a couple moments ago, and now already the humidity is palpable. You can still hear them. There's a temperature gauge, so you can adjust. So it's up to 112. I'll probably turn it down to 100. Already it's difficult to see. Like I said, it has two shower heads, each with their own separate controls. So you can see you'll hardly be able to tell. There's also a control in the middle for a handheld. So it is kind of really nice to set these to cold in a hot shower. It's a nice little contrast because it is very warm in here very quickly. You can't see. This is looking out. There's a what? There's the Bellagio. That's how thick it is in here. Steam shower's cool. That's about as close as I get to this camera. It's really cool. I am actually going to take a shower and get ready for the spa. We got the spa today in the morning, and then we have tonight we have John George's Steakhouse, and we're gonna have some bone marrow tonight. So those are the two plans for today. I don't know what we'll do in between, but till then, I'm gonna get myself ready to get a massage. This thing is billowing out. Anyway, love everybody. Have a great day.